Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and once again I ordered an item from Myntra. So guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because let me tell you, Myntra is having great offer. So it's a shopping haul that I ordered these bras from, and it's good to go because you get them at very low prices. The brand that's costing high, you get them at cheap price and affordable price when you can buy them on Myntra itself. So please don't forget to check out Myntra and do your shopping and make your shopping easier. And also one more thing to inform you, they have a very fast delivery service. Okay, they just order your item in 2 days or 3 days once you get your item order. So I'm going for my order now. Let me open it. And this is a coral red color bra. Let me check. By the brand Dressberry. Once again, this is a coral red. Okay, let's check the material, and this is 38B size I ordered. Good elastic, thick material. You can see the strap. So wow, see the smoothness, the stretching, the quality. It's thick cloth. On the video you can see it as a light pink, but it's a little darkish pink red. Okay, it's cool, soft feel. You can use this during your summers, and pure cotton fabric. See, okay. And the color is reddish type. Okay, it's not pink. So I will share with you the picture at the end of the video. Maybe it's coming pink in the video. Also it has 3 black closure, okay, where you can use this for your summers. So 3 black closure to give you a good support. And wow, the quality of Dressberry is good to go. And I ordered this item from Myntra. So guys, please do not forget to check out Myntra. There's a good sale going on, okay, and I purchased this item only for rupees 200, whereas the exact price of it is 649, which is a high price by the brand, but I got it only for rupees 200. So guys, you can check out things from Myntra because they have the fastest delivery and they offer good service. Only the problem is that once you opt for a return, okay, they will take your returns, but only it takes some time to pay your refund back. Okay, so there's only a delay in refund, whereas everything is good in Myntra. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.